and welcome to the Polymerupdate Daily News Show. This is Hetal Yagnik from the Polymerupdate Mumbai office. Today's special news reel is sponsored by Delhi-based Plastic Innovations, a manufacturer and supplier of a wide range of plastic master batches, such as white master batches, color master batches with 500 different shades, black master batches, and additive master batches. Viewers, today is Wednesday, and as always, the Asian markets eagerly await midweek commodity polymer pricing assessments from Asia's #1 pricing service provider, Polymerupdate. And I am very pleased to invite Polymerupdate's in-house expert, Mr. Jwalant Oza, our editorial director, to throw some light on this week's polymer pricing assessments for Asian markets. Hi, Jwalant.
Hello, Hetal.
Our viewers are very eager to know about the PP markets in Asia, so your comments please.
Well, for PP prices in Far East Asia are likely to remain steady, while for Southeast Asia prices of PP are expected to rise by about $10 to $15 per metric ton.
Okay. So what are the pricing trends seen in the regional PE markets?
On account of a lift in buying sentiments and higher import offers from overseas producers, HDPE prices for Far East Asia are likely to climb by $20 to 30 per metric ton, while for Southeast Asia, HDPE prices may rise by $10 to 20 per metric ton. And in case of LDPE and LLDPE, prices in Far East Asia and Southeast Asia are expected to rise by about $10 per metric ton.
Okay. What are the price assessments for PVC in Asia this week?
Prices for PVC in China and in Southeast Asia are likely to remain steady.
Okay. Are domestic producers likely to make any price changes this week?
The market is of the opinion that PP, PE and PVC prices are likely to be rolled over today.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jwalant, and we look forward to speak to you next week.
Thank you, Hetal.
Thank you so much. That was Jwalant Oza sharing his insights on this week's polymer market. Back to our daily news, crude oil prices on Tuesday declined, while WTI traded at $49.16, a fall of $1.01 per barrel. Brent finished at $51.78, down 87 cents per barrel. Prices slipped on the back of gains recorded in crude oil output from OPEC members, coupled with an unexpected rise in US crude oil inventories. Despite weaker upstream crude values, open spec naphtha prices on Tuesday were assessed higher at $475 per metric ton, CFR Far East Asia levels, a sharp day-on-day rise of $10 per metric ton. Ethylene prices bolstered higher while propylene prices remained steady in Asia on Tuesday. Ethylene prices were at $935 per metric ton, CFR Southeast Asia levels, a spike of $35 per metric ton from Monday. Prices were at $1,015 per metric ton, CFR Northeast Asia levels, a day-on-day gain of $20 per metric ton. Prices firmed on the back of bullish buying sentiments, constrained product avails, and higher downstream PE values. A lift in demand, particularly from China, coupled with firmer upstream crude and naphtha values, offered further support to sellers seeking to hike their prices. Propylene prices were assessed at $875 per metric ton, CFR China levels, and $860 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, both unchanged from Monday's assessed levels. On Tuesday, benzene prices were assessed stable, while SM prices slipped in Asia. Benzene prices were assessed steady at $730 per metric ton FOB Korea levels. SM prices were at $1110 per metric ton FOB Korea levels and $1140 per metric ton CFR China levels, both down $10 per metric ton from Monday. The price fall was a result of a combination of bearish triggers, including a weaker downstream PS demand and pricing trends, coupled with sluggish buying interest in the region. In the domestic markets, Supreme Petrochem rolled over GPPS and HIPS prices with effect from August 1st, 2017. OPAL announced a price revision on PP and PE grades with effect from August 1st, 2017. HDPE BM HMHDP prices dropped by Rs 2 per kg basic, while all other HDP grades prices have been left unchanged. LNDP prices were down adjusted by Rs 2 per kg basic. PP prices meanwhile were increased by Rs 1.50 per kg basic. An introductory discount scheme has also been announced for various PP and PE prime and non-prime grades. If you enjoyed watching this daily news video from Polymerupdate and have found it to be useful for business, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the button below. It's Wednesday, August 2nd. This is Italianic. Thank you.